Hello everyone, welcome back to another insightful discussion on education. I am Cyrus Malaxi and today we are diving into a topic that shapes every school environment, the organizational culture of schools. Well, in this video, we'll explore what organizational culture really means, its different levels, and the important functions. So stay tuned and let's get started. School culture is the foundation of a school's identity, influencing values, behaviors, and interactions among students, teachers, and administrators. It impacts both academic performance and social development. So this presentation explores the levels and function of school culture, highlighting its role in creating a positive and dynamic learning environment. So, according to Lazaro 2022, a school's organizational culture provides a sense of identity, promotes achievement orientation, helps shape standards and patterns of behavior, creates distinct ways of doing things, and determines direction for future growth. Similarly, Brown defines organizational culture as a set of common values, attitudes, beliefs, and norms, some which are explicit and some of which are not. Organizational culture in schools refers to the shared values, beliefs, norms, and practices that shape the behaviors and interactions within the school environment. So it encompasses the collective identity of the school community and influences how members, including students, teachers, administrators, and staff, perceive and respond to various aspects of their educational experience. The culture of a school is often reflected in its traditional rituals, symbols, and the way members communicate and collaborate. It plays a crucial role in shaping the learning environment, affecting both academic and social outcomes. In the 1980s, psychologist Edgar Schein of the Sloan School of Management developed a model for understanding and analyzing organizational culture. Schein divided an organization's culture into three distinct levels: the visible artifacts, espoused values, and underlying assumptions. So first is the visual artifacts. So these are the tangible aspects of culture, such as physical structures, dress codes, ceremonies, and symbols that are easily observable. So these are the most noticeable elements of a school's culture. Things you can see, hear, or experience firsthand. So they includes uniforms, classrooms, layouts, bulletin boards, and school traditions. So for example, a school that values academic excellence might display student achievements on a wall of fame or hold an annual award ceremony to recognize top performers. Next is the espoused values. So these are the core beliefs and principles that schools openly promote. They are usually found in the school's mission statement, student handbook, or classroom rules. For example, a school that emphasizes respect and kindness might have a code of conduct encouraging students to resolve conflicts peacefully and support one another. Lastly is the underlying assumptions. These are the deeply embedded beliefs and unconscious values that influence the way people think and act in the school. They may not be explicitly stated but are evident in the patterns of behavior and decision making. For example, teachers provide extra help to struggling students because they believe every student has the potential to improve even if this belief is not explicitly stated. So let's proceed to the functions of culture. First is social cohesion. Organizational culture fosters a sense of belonging and community within the school. Shared values and norms create a cohesive environment where individuals feel connected to a common purpose. Next is identity and purpose. Culture helps define the identity and purpose of the school. It communicates the school's mission, vision, and goals, providing a sense of direction and unity among the members. Guidance and control. Culture serves as a guide for behavior and decision making. It influences how conflicts are resolved, how authority is exercised, and how individuals interact with one another. The fourth one is learning and adaptation. So, a positive school culture encourages continuous learning and adaptation. It promotes innovation, resilience, and the willingness to embrace change in response to evolving to evolving educational needs. For example, a school integrates new technologies such as using Google Classroom for assignments, showing its ability to adapt to modern learning methods and changing educational trends. Lastly is communication. Culture establishes the norms and channels for communication within the school. Effective communication is essential for collaboration among staffs, students, and parents. For example, schools with an open door policy where students can approach teachers with concerns demonstrate how culture shapes effective communication for a collaborative learning environment. So other functions of culture is first is creates distinction among organizations. So culture makes each organization unique by shaping its values, traditions, and ways of working. And second is provides the organization with a sense of identity. So it helps members feel connected and understand what their organization stands for. Next is facilitates development of commitment to the group. So a shared culture strengthens loyalty and encourages people to work toward common goals. And the fourth one is enhances stability in the social system. So culture creates order and consistency, making interactions smoother within the organization. The fifth one is social glue that binds the organization together. So it fosters teamwork and unity by connecting people through shared beliefs and practices. And the last one is provides standards of behavior. So this means that culture sets expectation for how members should act, guiding decision making and workplace interactions. So that would be all. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.